A young galaxy is a vast cluster of stars, stars that formed from clouds of gas. At the center of the new galaxy is a young, supermassive black hole, feeding on the gas, getting bigger and bigger.
If you can imagine, when a galaxy is very young and still forming, there's a supermassive black hole forming at the core, and the gas is still falling into it and still forming the galaxy. Well, near that central black hole, things are getting very hot. That material's heating up.
Gas is speeding into the black hole, but it overloads, and there's no room for all that excess hot gas. It has nowhere to go but out. It's blasted into space in huge jets of energy. Each jet is 20 times wider than our solar system and shoots clear through the galaxy. The supermassive black hole has ignited a quasar.
Quasars are literally the brightest objects in the universe. They're so intense they can outshine an entire galaxy.
This is a real photograph of a real quasar in the galaxy M87, 50 million light years away. Quasars blast away huge quantities of gas from the surrounding galaxy. The equivalent of 10 Earths every minute.
When you heat up a gas, it tends to expand and it blows outward. And it's sort of like a wind, but on a huge scale. And you get a black hole wind, gas blowing out from the black hole.
Black holes suck gas in. Quasars blow it out. But eventually, there's no gas left to make stars, and the galaxy stops growing.
So we think that the eventual size that a galaxy can achieve depends on the black hole in its center. The two are tied together.
With no gas left to feed on, the quasar jets shrink and die. What's left is a supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy with a whole lot of young stars, just like our Milky Way back when it was young.
Early on in the history of the Milky Way, when it was a young galaxy, we were probably a quasar. Probably every big galaxy was a quasar when it was young. But right now, we're old enough that the galaxy has quieted down.
Now, astronomers are looking for quasars, the secret to finding more black holes and figuring out how they work. The Chandra Observatory is a space telescope that can detect the powerful X-rays quasars send out. It's found thousands. These remarkable images show quasars of all shapes and sizes, firing out into space. Each one is a signpost for a young galaxy, with a new black hole at its center. These quasars will eventually calm down as their galaxy matures and takes its final shape.
I guess the universe is a lot like people. Active when they're young, a little bit quieter and more relaxed when they get older.
We now know that supermassive black holes and the quasars they create control galaxies.
Black holes are central to understanding how galaxies form. They're a key to understanding how they evolve with time. So in fact, rather than being obscura, they're fundamental to our understanding of our galaxies and our universe.
The only way to find out more about black holes is to get a good look at one. And since an up-close visit is, well, not a good idea, astronomers are trying to devise a way to take a picture of the supermassive black hole at the heart of our own galaxy. To get it, they'll need a telescope as large as Earth itself.